Hi guys, welcome to Complex Life Simple Rules. I'm very happy to make my video again after a long time. It's very difficult when really you are doing something and suddenly you give up. And same thing happened with me. When I analyzed this thing last 6 months why I could not make any videos, I realized that there are three major points what happened during this time why I suddenly stopped making videos. And my friends and my family always saying, why you're not making videos? Always we enjoy your videos, you always talk about some interesting topic. And I thought, why don't I share with you? I'm trying to come back on track and make some more videos. So those three reasons, let's talk about one by one. Number one is bite more than you can chew. So what happened, I was making 2-3 videos in a month, and suddenly I thought, why don't I make a video every day? And I keep making only 3-4 videos in a week. I promised myself, I started working on this one, and suddenly I realized that I am not making quality video, and everything changed just right after. When you know that your work is not, you're not satisfied with your work, suddenly you start feeling bored of that. And same thing happened with me. I said, okay, so I'll try to make the best videos. So get into mindset of make videos every day too. Even after 2 months I could not make any video. And this always happen because I it happens with you as well, with me as well. When you put so much pressure on yourself because you have so many other priorities as well, you burn out yourself. And burnout, in most of the times what happens, we give up. And same thing happened with me as well. And I was saying that now I don't think I can make videos because not interesting, it's boring, you have to research on your contents. And but fortunately I'm back. So my first reason for not recorded is like bite more than you can chew. And second reason why I could not make videos is a focus. We know you always have a focus, or you have some discipline in your life to do something, and it should be a balanced life. So what happened, my focus entirely switched. So instead of making videos, I spent that time on other things. Instead of writing my own contents, I start doing something else. So this way my focus area switching from one task to other. And it always happen, not with me but it everyone. When it started working on something, after some time we get bored of that, then we start looking at something else, because our mind is always try to do something, change something. So this focus area, when it switch from making videos to something else, I completely thinking that this is better than that. And the third reason is more physics than my character. It's more like physics, Newton's law of inertia, where if you are in one state, then you need extra energy or force to switch from one state to other. You're moving, then if you are static, then you need force to change your state. So exactly same thing happen with us as well. When we are in particular situation, like we are particular schedule, it's very difficult for us to switch the schedule to the new one. And this is same thing happened with, I would say, that used to in my particular schedule, and that schedule was so occupied. And I told you the reason too, because I was not focused and not prioritized, things really going down. And now I need a lot of effort, willpower and all this to get back onto track. So then I said, why don't start something which really makes sense, like a easy video. And this is, I think, will be helpful for you as well. When you are in this type of situation, you want to restart something or trying to develop a new habit, always try to make it as a baby step. Reason being is as small as possible. So I would try to say that, I make a video on why I could not make a video, and I'd start from here. And during this time, I really did so many other things as well, and I will share those things which I started working on. And one of them is my meditation practice, and travel to India as well. I travel, and I will share my all experiences with you. Thank you, and share your comments, please. Thank you.